Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today we are diving into the Binge app, one of Australia's most popular streaming platforms. If you're curious about how to use it, stick around and I'll help you step by step. Let's get started. Binge is a subscription-based streaming service from Foxtel. It gives you access to a massive library of movies, TV shows and exclusive content, including big-name HBO series, reality TV, documentaries and more. You can stream it on your phone, tablet, smart TV or even to a web browser. Now to get started, first you need to download your app. If you haven't, search Binge app on your search bar, then download your app and then open it up and sign up for new account or login if you already have one. Then choose your subscription plan, basic, standard or premium depending on how many devices you want to stream on. Once logged in, you land on the home screen where you can explore everything Binge has to offer. Now let's walk through the main features. On the home screen, you'll see the browse and search bar at the top of your page right here, the search icon. So use the search bar to find movies, shows or actors quickly. Explore curated categories like Binge List, New and Trending or Binge Originals. Then to play content, tap a title to see details, trailers and episodes. Tap on the title which you want to watch, then press play to start streaming instantly. You can also download selected shows and movies to watch offline. Create multiple profiles so each person gets personalized recommendations. Add shows or movies to your My List for later viewing. You can also adjust your video quality to manage data usage, enable subtitles or change audio settings. Use the continue watching rule to pick up where you left off. And that is how you can use the Binge app, a simple and powerful way to stream blockbuster movies, HBO favorites, reality TV and many more. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Like if it did and comment down if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Bye.